Hey everybody, it's Rolling the Real from Complete Trader Academy. Today is January the 3rd, Tuesday, 2023. All right, first trading day of the year. Pretty nice. Last week, or we were saying that we could have a price drop it or a certain direction out of nowhere, and they basically did it Monday night as the Tuesday candle started 6 p.m. Eastern time, but on Monday. So let's kind of go into it here. You got this daily candle here. Price open gapped all the way up above that high that I was mentioning on Friday that we would take out, and then retrace, and then went all the way up to finally take out this these highs here, or where all the money had been sitting. So we took that out, and then we came down. We also almost took the lows that we were aiming as well. So let me go into a smaller time frame so you can see this. And here we go. Look at this. So, yeah, price from Friday rallied all the way up, then gapped up majorly. Monday night retraced hard. So obviously now you can tell this is not supply and demand, even though I mentioned supply and demand. This is an algorithm. There's no question, as you've been following me, watching my videos, that you can't see that there's an agenda that price is looking for and creating and looking for to take out. So, which is definitely in my private mentorship, I go in a lot of detail, but you'll see that, boom. I mean, I'm giving you the jewels here as price is coming up, letting you know it's going to take this high out. It shot for it. I mean, like literally. You can't get any more clear than that. And then as you see, back out here, well, I'll go into an hour chart real quick. You'll see that this money been sitting here accumulating, and we're gonna go take both. I knew this week that we would. I didn't know how long it would take, but it sure enough came out the gate for the new year. So boom, came up, took out that high, then took out that high. So that was a target. And at the time, I don't really care about going too deep, but this was my main goal, to be honest. So hit it beautifully. Look, taps it, takes back off, and then comes right back into this demand. And then I wanted to take out these lows, but look, they've built a massive ton of liquidity here. So, but at the same time, they might still hold this to dangle the carrot, and we might still even go up. I'm expecting to retrace up and then come down, right? In a perfect world, I've been saying this, but it's trying to hold. So, but I might be able to recommend that we still come up in here, somewhere in this vicinity here. But I would like for it to just come down from after Asia and London. I'm expecting London to tap somewhere in here, or even tag that, which I don't know. I don't see that. My opinion is not really that much, but you got to wait now for some more flow. And we got major news. What is it? Yeah, tomorrow we got manufacturing jobs and an FOMC meeting at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So price is going to move a lot there. And then we have some good news on Friday. We got non-farm payroll on Thursday, but Friday, we also have some more big events there as well from all this here. So the point is that I'm thinking they're going to use the news to get in here, because it wouldn't be realistic any other way to get in here. And that's just the facts. So, or vice versa. They use the news to just completely sink it. And if I go back to a daily, we just break all that. We break that, and then boom, we create this leg. It'll look something similar to this, it'll just come down, and then it'll keep sinking until it reaches somewhere in here, and then kind of retrace, and we'll see a leg kind of come down in here. So that's my opinion, and obviously watch for it. But as far as the trade goes, very clear. These levels have been drawn, since last week, and they're hitting them perfectly. You're looking for order flow. Price ended up wicking up, fake move up, came right into that supply area. I took a loss with this gap because I was, you know, a little bit thirsty, I guess you can call it. But this is in my rules, so I took it, came into this area here, went above this high, tapped the gap, and I was like, okay, boom, I saw the reaction, I got in it. Then it stopped me out, but it's okay. I mean, I wasn't really gonna hold that. I wasn't gonna hold that stop loss anyway. I knew it was before the 9:30 bell, and it's okay. I'm okay with that. But sure enough, tagged it, saw the price on smaller time frames, which I'm not gonna go into, but you'll see the reaction beautifully there, and then just kept sinking, and got right. Look at this. Got right back to this little demand zone. Hit it here, hit it there, you know, so it's not breaking, but it's just building liquidity. So my guess is to come up here, somewhere in here, and come down. All right, and then take out these lows. All right, guys, hope this helps. You guys take care. God bless.